day and warmly welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be making a recipe which is commonly known in Cameroon as Akara cassava, but you can also term it cassava fritters. It's known for its yumminess and it's a common street food from Cameroon and maybe Africa as a whole. So for this recipe we're going to be needing 3 medium-sized cassava tubers. So the quantity of cassava I'm going to get will determine the number of bananas I will use, but an estimated 2 to 3 is the right quantity. Get the bananas well ripened till there is a color transformation from yellow to brown. So we are going to start by peeling our cassava, washing the cassava and grating. So we have our cassava well prepared and washed. So the next step is to grate the cassava. The next thing we're going to do is squeeze out excess water from the cassava, because we want to dry it up in such a way that when the banana comes in, the mixture will be in such a way that we can form balls. If you notice that your cassava is dry already, you don't need to squeeze anything. You just go ahead and add your banana to it. So today I'm going to be using this cheesecloth. Let me put it over my bowl. You can also use a kitchen towel like this. So I'm going to be putting all the cassava into the cheesecloth. So what I'm going to do now is squeeze so that we can take out some water or excess water. What we obtained, look at how dry it is. So the next step is we peel our bananas. I'm actually going to be peeling just 2. Smash to obtain a mushy consistency. A mushy consistency has been achieved. So now we put in the cassava. And then a pinch of salt. So from this stage I'm going to use my hands. So we have our mini balls here already formed. And now we are going to heat our cooker and start frying. We will fry on medium high heat. So we get our oil into the frying pan. So our oil is now well heated and we can fry. Look at the color change. Our aim is to get a golden brown light color on the outside. So we have our cassava fritters with our pepper on the side. Yummy. Enjoy, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching, guys. Subscribe, like and share. Love and light your way. Bye bye.